beats.
Now we're here. Bobby and Steve's. I'm gonna go after you. Look at how shiny my bike is under this light. And like bow to it. Oh, so nice of you to fill it up for me too. Are you sure? It might be a lot. How about you get my gas and I'll give you some gas? I was still yelling it. Don't close it.
It's the nozzle, damn it.
Well, somebody, boys, do something.
I don't want it to end there.
Okay, soak up as much as you can until it's below that line. Full service, look at that.
Oh yeah. Motorcycle F1 kit. Let's go.
Thank you. You
yeah.
No. Ready? Watch Daryl. High kick, baby. High kick. High kick. Woo! Sorry. High kick, ready to go. Go, go. Woo. Go. Oh, I'm recording. I'm posting that one online.